Welcome to the program on transportation management. This is one vital subject in supply chain management and serves as a critical link. In fact, this is one of the major expense area in supply chain and logistics. Almost 50% of the expense goes towards transportation. So how you effectively manage transportation reflects in the supply chain performance and its cost. Here we have to see whether we are discussing about local transportation or distribution, and other possibility could be international trade. When it comes to local, mostly road transportation is used. There also we use heavy vehicles to small vehicles including bikes and bicycles. Now we have to see how effectively we manage in delivering the goods to the customer and satisfying the customer requirement. Now in the evolving situation, customer expectation is rapidly changing. Customer wants a small item, frequent delivery at a lower cost. So these considerations are a must. Then coming to international trade, you should know about various modes like rail, air, sea and pipeline, and what are the costing related with these different modes. When it comes to intermodal transportation, what are the formalities required, and also some minimum understanding of international terms like Incoterms knowledge should be there. So on a whole, the professional handling transportation should know the costing involved, whether it could be a direct or indirect cost or fixed or variable cost, and other issue could be compliance related, especially dealing with the government agencies at the check post or toll gate. The people should be aware about the documents required. Next one could be, we have to also address drivers shortage, which is a problem across the globe because the millennial population does not want to involve in the driving profession. Then comes the environmental and social issues, because transportation is the major reason for causing air pollution as well as noise pollution. So what are the measures the organization can take first to reduce minimize the use of transportation? Second is energy consumption. Third one could be in the form of alternative fuels. Now we have a choice for solar or battery powered vehicle. Can this be used in transportation? How you are trying to optimize the route and thereby saving the fuel can also be an issue. Then when it comes to social issues, possibly byproduct of transportation is an accident. So how safely these vehicles can be driven and comply with all the legal requirement, and also the environment. Infrastructure is very important in managing the transportation effectively, and the infrastructure is provided by the government, and in the recent times you can always see there is increased investment in national highways and other infrastructure. So transportation effectiveness can also be improved depending upon the investment from government authorities. Finally, what we are looking in supply chain management is how do you address the requirement of customers by effectively and efficiently managing the transportation. Okay, in our program we are going to study all these aspects with a practical case situation. I have seen a big vacuum in the academic field with respect to transportation as required by the supply chain. Maybe there is something called transportation engineering which is different that deals with the infrastructure, but here our focus is related to transportation efficiency by using the various modes to reach to the customer. So this will be really helpful for the people who want to enter supply chain profession, especially in the retail and international trade. Thanks for watching. Bye.